Whoa. Have you ever seen a summer swarm of bees? So just a few minutes ago, and I'll show you where they are. Up there in the tree, there's a big swarm of bees, I think honeybees. But yeah, just a few minutes ago they were flying around all over here because I think someone has disturbed them from somewhere else. And I'll point them out to you. I'll zoom in, but they're up there in the tree. They came flying in. Ooh. So these are some summer dangers that you maybe don't think about. Why they were flying around here. Again, I think there was some trees being cut down nearby, and that might have disturbed them, but you don't see this often, so I'll let you enjoy the video.